In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Google Docs. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to polish up your writing, Grammarly is a fantastic tool to help you make your Google Docs documents shine. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get Grammarly up and running, so let's dive right in. First, we need to install the Grammarly browser extension. You can do this by heading over to the Grammarly website or by opening your browser's extension or add-on store. If you're unsure how to get there, don't worry. It's no different than how you would install any other browser extension. Once you've landed on the right page, use the search bar to type in Grammarly. You should see the Grammarly extension pop up among the search results. Go ahead and click to install it. Now, after installation, it's important to sign in to your Grammarly account. If you don't already have an account, there will be an option to create one. Just follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be set. Having an account not only enables Grammarly to keep track of your writing preferences, but it also lets you tap into a more personalized writing aid. Once you have the extension successfully installed and you've signed in, it's time to enable Grammarly specifically for Google Docs. Start by opening a document in Google Docs, which you can access by entering docs.google.com in your browser's address bar. With the document open, you'll notice a new icon in your browser toolbar. This is the Grammarly icon. Click on it to bring up a menu that includes a toggle for Check for writing suggestions on Google Docs. Make sure this option is enabled. With that done, you'll now see a small Grammarly icon in the lower right corner of your Google Docs window. Typically, it looks like a green G, or sometimes displays a number, indicating how many issues Grammarly has detected in your document thus far. Now you're all set to use Grammarly in Google Docs. As you're typing, Grammarly will be hard at work, underlining any mistakes it detects, or flagging opportunities for improvement in grammar, style, and punctuation. If you see something underlined, simply hover over or click on that text to view Grammarly's suggestions. If you want a more comprehensive review of your document, clicking on the Grammarly icon will open the Grammarly sidebar. Here, you can see all the detected issues in detail. An added bonus is the ability to set writing goals directly in the sidebar, such as adjusting the formality level or specifying your target audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added Grammarly to Google Docs. Now, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your documents are polished and professional. Happy writing!